is like the my bestest set. I love this set so much. I'm a sucker for an all black like fingernail, so definitely yeah. Hi, hello. I have been, I don't want to say MIA, but I've been just really trying like really hard just to post. Hope you guys are hearing me. I don't have to fatten too much now on the face. Careful, careful now, Jaleel. Ask for help now, bro. You need help? Need help? You need help? Okay, so. Oh, stop. Hi, Simone. Hi. I figured some of you would have been worried, but I don't want to say I'm okay, but you know how it goes. Like, it's just like happening. This is happening now, and I have a filter on. You see it? You see it now? You don't see it? Yeah. Oh, this filter makes my eyebrow raise. But anyway, move the fan. So Jolly, they can turn off the fan for me, please. You can turn off the fan for me, please. No, turn off the fan for me, please. Alright, come. You alright? You alright? Come, here's the headphones. Yeah, and my watch. Alright, so there, my mind is so foggy right now. There's so much things that are happening right now. I don't know what it is, man, but I like being open with you guys with each step that I taking, and right now I think I'm afraid to be seen. Let me explain why I said that. Because it's going to seem a little bit, it's going to seem small to some guys, but I want to like make you guys aware that it's not even music, bro. It's just talking. Yeah, that. Gosh, I don't even know why I'm live. I don't have nothing to say. I don't have nothing to say. It's just I'm processing a lot right now, and it's way more than. I'm just processing a lot right now. I'm trying to turn about the fan. Am I going to the room? The fan turn. Am I going to the room? Masu come. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the definition. Somebody said, can you please sing past me? Not, I don't know that song, and I really don't feel like singing, especially like a sad song. Not no. Your birthday party. When is your birthday? Why does everybody want me to sing? What? Everybody's asking me to sing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I've been okay, but I just know that a lot of you would have been worried about me, but I've been okay. It's just that I can't even express myself without like people making it into a whole money. What? What? What do you mean by no, bro? What do you mean by no? What? Hear him a climb. Stop that. Do not use the rag and wipe off the railing. Jaleel. Thank you. I think I can come off this live. I really don't have nothing to say, really. I guess I just wanted to check in, let you guys know. Jaleel, do not touch it. Why is a bad man? No, you can't be so bad, man. I guess I just want you guys to know that I'm okay. Let me see if I can push it back in here. Jaleel. You'll give Gigi the rag. So what make you turn on the fan and then come in that room here? Oh, you say so? Yeah, I'm going to the other room. I'm going in the other room. You hear me? Stay in there, sir. I'm leaving. Bye-bye. Do not, do not come. I come in. Bye bye. Bye bye. Such a weirdo, baby. But don't call my name. Yeah. As much people name Lyric. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Alright, what's going on? Mrs. Necktie. Wanna sing Drenched in Pink. Say so she not sing not now. Then Miss Necktie said, what that are you name Lyric? And he said, yeah, me I. So like two of them go back and forth. And low key, I love the two of them. My DM me email answer me no. Oh no, number email again. No, but people, your email must have gone into my junk. I'm clear up my email yesterday. I'm gonna get a new email and I have to clear it again. Come clear my email yesterday. lyricmua@hotmail.com that cleared yesterday. I don't even know why so many of you are over here. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I went viral again. Like I wake up to a bag of new people and it's low-key scary. And it's just it's so stressful. Imagine you just waking up and then you have like a bunch of cameras in your face ready to record what you're doing for that day so that they can make a profit. That's like how it feels like every day for me. I feel like I can't have like a moment to do not jump on the iPad. I feel like I can't have a moment to myself. Like Bomba, oh thank God my breast now show. Like because I chose to be open, it's just being violated and it's highly stressful. But I have one video I just edited and I uploaded. I left my phone in Florida, so I'm going to set I can record my camera in Florida, so I'm going to set I can record for you guys. I have to put out 2 videos this week for Gael Cosmetics, so I'm not reading. Oh my god, wow, that's rude as hell, Kimo. What's going on? Mix up them and look. Okay, yeah, I agree. We're just, okay, love your voice. Anyways, face look fresh. Face, I want a filter. Fix the nose ring. Can't bother, come put the tea tree oil on it, so my cock it. Jesus, God, Jaleel. So my cock it up so it can dry out. Talking about them in the comments. Skin clean also. Face, I want filter and saying me nice nails. This press on, left hand out. What's going on? So I don't read the comments. I don't know what to believe when I read these comments. Do not, hey, give me. Don't smile with me. Don't you dare smile with me. Look, smiler. I love you. Yeah. I'm gonna go. You're back in JA, baby. Yeah, man. I've been back since last week. But I'm going to go now. My energy is drained. I have so much events that I have to plan. I'm not telling you right now. I don't know what's going to happen. I think I'm going to start going live on my YouTube so that if they screen record my stuff, I have like legal grounds or some shit. I think I'm going to start going live on YouTube and not on Instagram. That's why I don't ask if they're with me. So because she actually she's obligated to sing. Oh, what? Somebody said that? Oh, Jamon. Thank you so much. Jamon, she said that. Are you them summer sing? Sing, let mommy hear. Yeah. Jelly say yeah. Come on. Yeah. Jelly say yeah. Come on. Yeah. Jelly say yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Hey. Jelly. Ooh. Yeah. I love you. Come give me a kiss. I love you. Hey boy, Mr. Come kiss. Can't say anything. Lyric Trish in the same life would be a vibe. Oh my gosh, Narda, hey boo. Which Trish? I can't say anything. Guys, I'm gonna go now. My energy is really low. But I'm alive, okay? Give me, you got hurt yourself. Give me. Thank you. Thank you, Papa. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No. Thank you. Thank you. Come here. Come here. Why you getting mad? Why you getting mad? No! You always do that crap and then you go bite me. Stop. Stop. Stop! Oh, if you ever bite my bite, you bye. Wait, no, him always want. Him always want like to come when him because him Jelly, he's doing it now. Jelly, you're no longer using them. Leave them alone. No, leave them alone. Bye, guys. No, leave them.